Namaste Gurukulians, class 12th cut. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing your work in a proper way along with me by this video lecture. Now I am going to start national income practical numerical, which will come of 6 marks in your final exam. It always comes, no one can stop it. Everyone have to do this work with me, then you can learn it easily. Firstly, I will recapitalize the thrice of method in a short way. After that, we shall continue our practical. Most probably your chapter will complete today and I will send you PDF. After that, if you are facing any problem in numerical, send me on WhatsApp. I will see what you have done and what is your mistake, and definitely at the same time I will reply you for this numerical. Okay beta. Firstly, I will recapitalize 3 methods in a short way, then we shall continue our numerical portion. Chapter is the same, national income, methods. First, value added method. Value added method, how to find it? First step, find value of output. Formula is sale plus change in stock. Change in stock means closing stock minus opening stock. Second, estimate the value of raw material or intermediate cost. What you will get? Third step, GVMP. GVMP, next name is GDPMP. It means value of output minus intermediate cost. You will get GDPMP and you have to find national income. National income, NNPFC, from gross to net minus depreciation, and domestic to national, add net factor income from abroad, and MP to FC minus net indirect taxes. Okay beta. Next method, income method. Income method, first part is compensation of employees. Compensation of employees, it is divided into 4 parts: wages and salaries, payment in another kind, employer contribution to social security scheme, and last one is pension on retirement. We shall see numerical. If any part is given or COE is also given, so what you will do? You will take only COE because these are the part of this. Second is operating surplus. Operating surplus means the income which you will get from property or entrepreneurship. जो आपको प्रॉपर्टी से मिलती है और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से. दिस इज रेंट प्लस इंटरेस्ट प्लस प्रॉफिट. रेंट प्लस इंटरेस्ट प्लस प्रॉफिट. Profit is divided into 3 parts: dividend, corporate tax. Corporate tax is like a transfer payment, and what is corporate saving. corporate saving, two more name. One is undistributed profit and second is retained earning. Third you will do, that is mixed income. Mixed income means the income you are getting from so many places. Like I am a teacher and I am giving coaching at home. I am also earning. My second portion I have given on rent. I am earning from this. I have one shop and I have given to anyone. Okay, मेरे पास कोई शॉप है, कोई प्रॉपर्टी है, मैंने किसी और को दी है, तो फ्रॉम वेयर आई एम ऑल्सो गेटिंग दैट इज अ मिक्सड इनकम, मिली जुली इनकम जो मुझे मिल रही है. ओके, सो मैनी सोर्सेज आर इंक्लूडेड ओवर देयर. काफ़ी सारे सोर्सेज जो हैं वो इसमें इंक्लूड होते हैं. तो जो मेरी स्कूल की अर्निंग थी वो तो मेरी यहाँ आ गई कंपनसेशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ में. ओके, जो रेस्ट ऑफ अर्निंग है, जो मैं और कमा रही हूँ अदर सोर्सेज से, दैट विल बी नोन एज मिक्सड इनकम. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज when you will add it 1 plus 2 plus 3, that will be known as NDPFC. यानी कि ये सारी इनकम कहाँ जनरेट हुई? This is generated in the domestic territory of a country. This is known as net domestic income. What I have to do? Find national income. From domestic to national you will go. Net factor income from abroad. And the last topic is expenditure method. Expenditure method, content I am telling you. Contents are private or personal, final, consumption, expenditure. Second is government, final, consumption, expenditure. Third is gross domestic fixed capital formation. This is also known as investment expenditure. Fixed capital formation, because capital always formate by investment. हमेशा जो capital formate होती है वो किससे होती है? Investment से होती है. Next, fixed is given. If fixed is given, it means fluctuations are not added. What do you have to do? Add the fluctuation. अगर fixed given है, what you will do? You will add one more term, that is change in stock. और if fix is not here, अगर fix नहीं given है तो ये भी नहीं आएगा, because fix is not given, it means already fluctuated. Next, fifth, net export. Net export. Net export means export minus import. By adding this, you will get GDPMP, because this expenditure is done in the domestic territory of a country. Then NNPFC, step same, gross to net minus depreciation, domestic to national, net factor income from abroad, and MP2FC minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes means indirect taxes minus subsidies. Indirect taxes you are paying to government, subsidy government giving you. Subsidy means financial help given by the government that makes the producer to financially strong. Now I am writing one statement at the board. After that we shall solve this question. Some content are given. I am writing net domestic capital formation 500. Net domestic capital formation, that is 500. There are 15 contents because we have to use in income and expenditure method both. Next is compensation of employees. I am writing in a short way. Compensation of employees, that is 1850. Then consumption of fixed capital. This is another name of depreciation. Consumption of fixed capital, that is given 100. Then government final consumption expenditure. Then private final consumption expenditure, that is given 1100, 2600. 1100, 2600. Next, rent. Rent is given 400. Dividend 200. Rent 400. Dividend 200. Next is 8 term interest, that is 500. Net export minus 100. Net export minus 100, and I think profit is given. No, that was interest. Rent, dividend, interest. Interest 500. Interest 500. 9 content are completed. 10th, profit. Profit, that is given 1100. Profit 1100. Next is net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad, that is given minus 50. Net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes is given 250. Okay, these are in crores or lakhs, which is given to you. You have to write in with the answer. In question, they are asking from you calculate GNPFC. What you have to count? GNPFC by using two methods. One is income method and second is expenditure method. So let's start. We will go accordingly step by step. Income method. First step is compensation of employees. See, compensation of employees given? Yes. Second item, that is compensation of employees. How much? 1850. Rest of the part is also given of compensation of employees. That will be useless. That will be the cause of double accounting. अगर compensation of employees के बाकी parts भी दिए गए हैं, suppose wages and salaries, employer contribution to social security scheme, so that will be the cause of double counting. No need to take this. We will take only single entry in a national income. Second, rent, interest and profit. It means you have to collect operating surplus. Operating surplus means rent, interest, profit. Rent 400, interest 500, profit 1100. Rent 400, interest 500, profit 1100. Total 4 and 5 9 and that will be 2000. Last is mixed income. You will see mixed income is given, not given. So that mixed income will be 0. You will count it accordingly. That is NDPFC. What it will be? NDPFC. Because by income method you always get net domestic product at factor cost. So that is 3850. Now you have to find. आपको find क्या करना है? GNPFC. Come from net to gross. Net to gross. Add depreciation. Depreciation is given? Yes. Add depreciation. 100. 3950. Next, domestic to national. Net factor income from abroad is given? Yes. That is minus 50. Add net factor income from abroad. That is 3900. FC to FC. Now you have to check. Is your answer is okay? How will you check? What you will do? You will take another content of the method. That is expenditure method. If answer of both method will be the same, it means your answer is okay. Now we shall come to expenditure method by step. First, private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure, that is 2600. Then government final consumption expenditure, that is 1100. Then third part, gross domestic fixed capital formation. You will see fix is not here. Fix is not here. अगर fix यहाँ नहीं है, it means no need to add change in stock. Change in stock is already added, or that is given net. Net means when you will add it, net domestic capital formation, that is 500. तो जब आप यहाँ add करेंगे, you will not get GDPMP, you will get NDPMP, because third content यहाँ क्या था? Net. अगर यहाँ gross होता तो you will also get gross, but अगर यहाँ net है, you will get net. Next, last, that is net exports. Net exports of rupees minus 100. Add this. By adding this, you will get NDPMP. What is the reason behind? Reason मैंने आपको बता दिया कि आपको GDPMP क्यों नहीं मिलेगा. You will get NDPMP because third content was net. It means what that is already deducted. Depreciation जो है वो already उसमें से क्या है? Deduct है. So you will count it 26 and 11, 37. That is 42 minus 4100. What do you have to find? You have to find GNPFC. नेट से ग्रॉस में आएंगे. एड डेप्रीसिएशन. डेप्रीसिएशन कितने का है? 100. 4200. Domestic to national. Add net factor income from abroad, that is minus 50. 4150. Next and last step is left. From MP to FC. When you are in MP, market value, it means what is added? Indirect taxes is added. Net indirect taxes are added. When you are going to factor cost, net indirect taxes will be deducted. तो minus net indirect taxes कितने के हो गए? 250. That is 3900. This is one practical question that can come in your exam. This is very important. Another practical question I am telling you, you will do along with me. I think you can understand it easily. I will give you 2 to 3 more questions for practice on the board. After that, I will send you PDF to solve these questions. दिस क्वेश्चन कम्स इन 6 मार्क्स. ये कितने मार्क्स में आता है? 6 मार्क्स में आता है. नाउ I will discuss with you the expenditure method, only and only expenditure method numerical I am taking. What is given over there? Gross investment 90. What is given? Gross investment 90. बेटा प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन हमेशा जो है वो डिपेंड करता है किस पर? गिवन कंटेंट पर. What content you have to given and what you have to find. That is 90. Net export 10. Net export 10. Next is given net indirect taxes 5. Depreciation 15. Net indirect taxes 5. Depreciation 15. Another name of depreciation you know, consumption of fixed capital, current replacement cost. Next is net factor income from abroad -5. Net factor income from abroad -5. Next is private consumption expenditure, and next government purchase of goods and services. Private consumption expenditure 350. Private consumption expenditure 350. And last content of this, that is government purchase of goods and services 100. Government purchase of goods and services 100. What do you have to find? आपको फाइंड क्या करना है? GDP MP and GDP FC. GDP MP and GDP FC. So according to the content, firstly we shall recapitalize our method, income method. इनकम मेथड का फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर, दैट इज 350. प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर दैट इज 350. सेकेंड, गवर्नमेंट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर दैट इज 100. थर्ड इज ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन्वेस्टमेंट इज नोन एज ग्रोस कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. ग्रोस इन्वेस्टमेंट that is given you 90. Next, net export. Net export you will add of 10. So you will get GDP MP. GDP MP is 350, 450, 450 and 100, 550. That is crore or 100, that is given to you, you will find it easily. Now GDP FC. GDP MP you find 550. You will go from MP to FC minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes are given of 5. It means 400, 545. Sorry beta, 445 not 545. I hope you can understand it easily, and by this video lecture you can do the numerical easily. Next, numerical part you will do along with me. I am writing one more question at the board, and in that question missing value we have to find. Suppose in income method they will give you to find compensation of employees or mixed income or operating surplus. But firstly you have to read the statement carefully. I am writing at the board the statement. National income 50,000, net indirect taxes 1,000. National income means NNPFC. 50,000. Second, net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes is equal to 1,000. Private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure is missing. It means I will take it X. Gross domestic capital formation 1700. Gross domestic capital formation. Firstly, you have to check fix is given or not given. It's our duty to check it कि what fix is given or not given. अगर fix given है तो what you will do? You will add change in stock. If fix is not given, you will not add change in stock. It is already added. Gross domestic capital formation 17,000. Profit 1,000. Profit 1,000. Next is government final consumption expenditure 12,500. Government final consumption expenditure 12,500. Next content, wages and salaries 20,000. Wages and salaries 20,000. Next, consumption of fixed capital 700. Consumption of fixed capital 700. Next, mixed income 13,000. Mixed income 13,000. Next, after mixed income, operating surplus blank. It means I will take it Y because I have to find its value. Two contents are left. One is net factor income from abroad 500 and net export 2,000. Net factor income from abroad, what is 500 and net export 2,000. Net export 2,000. This is complete question before us. What I have to do? I have to find the two values, missing values. One is private final consumption expenditure and second is operating surplus. So let's we start the first item, that is private final consumption expenditure. Firstly, you have to recognize it कि ये किस में lie करेगी. This will lie in expenditure method. So firstly, I will take content of expenditure method. Expenditure method के contents जो हैं मैं वो लूँगी. You will see. What is given main? NNPFC. NNPFC. NNPFC, that is national income. It means 50,000. और you know this thing, आपको ये चीज़ पता है. When you are finding expenditure method, तो you will get GDPMP. So firstly, go in GDPMP. From net to gross, add depreciation. See, depreciation is given. Yes, 700. Next, national to domestic. When you will go domestic to national, add net factor income from abroad. And if you are going from national to domestic, minus net factor income from abroad. That is 500. It means what you will get? Net factor income from abroad minus you will get 50,200. and FC to MP you will go. Add net indirect taxes. Find net indirect taxes are given. Net indirect taxes, yes, 1000. That will be 51,200. Now you will apply your complete formula. Your complete formula is GDP MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net export. So you will see all content are given or not. GDP MP you find 51,200. Private final you have to find that value is X. Government final consumption expenditure, yes, that is given 12,500. Gross domestic capital formation 17,000. And last value you will see net exports 2,000. You will add this, that will be 17 plus 2 19, 19 and 12 31 500 plus X. What you will do? Deduct this value. How will you deduct? 51,200 minus, you will get the answer 0, 0, 12 minus 5, 7, 10 minus 1, 9, 1. That you will get private final consumption expenditure. You will write its units, that is crore, lakhs, which is given to you. Next is missing value operating surplus. That operating surplus you always get in income method. So let's go to the income method. Let's start. In income method you always get NDPFC. See, income method. Income method में हमेशा क्या मिलता है हमें? NDPFC. But here is given NNPFC. Firstly, move to NDPFC. Only one content is differ. National to domestic minus net factor income from abroad, that is 500. 49,500 you will get. Okay. What you have to do now? NDPFC is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. NDPFC you got 49,500. Compensation of employees, if it is given, you will see compensation of employees, only wages and salaries are given, nothing is given. So that is known as compensation of employees, that is 20,000. Operating surplus you have to find, it means sum total of rent, interest and profit. And mixed income is given, yes, that is 13,000. Add it and deduct from NDPFC. You will get the answer, that is 16,500. Okay, this is a required answer. You will write the unit along with, because if you will not write the unit, your half marks will be deducted. Now I am sending you the numerical PDF. I hope you will solve it easily. If your question is not proper or you are not finding the answer easily, you can send to me on WhatsApp. I will see it and definitely I will help to make it correct. Thank you beta. Thank you so much class 12th.